Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wix for converting visitors into leads. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Wix website. Click on the Get Started button. Create an account using your email address. Once logged in, select a template that suits your business needs. After choosing a template, click on Edit Site. You'll be taken to the Wix editor. On the left panel, find and click on Add Apps. In the search bar, type Wix Forms. Select the Wix Forms app from the results. Click on Add to Site to install the app. Customize the form fields according to your lead generation needs. Include essential fields such as name, email, and phone number. Consider adding a message box for additional information. Adjust the design of the form to match your website style. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to make the changes live. Now, set up email notifications for leads. Go back to Wix Forms in the Apps panel. Click on Settings and look for Email Notification options. Enter the email address where you want to receive leads. Save the settings. To connect your form with a marketing tool, explore integrations. Choose a tool that suits your marketing strategy. Follow the prompts to complete the integration. Test the form on your site to ensure it works correctly. Confirm that the lead information is sent to your designated email or marketing tool. Monitor the leads you collect through the Wix dashboard. Regularly analyze lead data to improve your forms over time. This will help you optimize your conversion rates effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.